से इस आस पर जी रही हूँ मैं, मुद्दत से इस आस पर जी रही हूँ मैं, मुद्दत से इस आस पर जी रही हूँ। खुदा कब बुला ले मुझे अपने घर में, खुदा कब बुला ले मुझे अपने घर में, मैं मुद्दत से इस आस पर जी रही हूँ मैं, मुद्दत से इस आस पर जी रही हूँ। कभी तो सुनेगा दुआएं वो मेरी, कभी तो सुनेगा दुआएं वो मेरी, मैं मुद्दत से इस आस पर जी रही हूँ मैं, मुद्दत से इस आस पर जी रही हूँ मैं, मुद्दत से इस आस पर जी रही हूँ। जो लोगों से सुन सुन के नक्शे हैं खींचे, हकीकत में होंगे मनाजिर वो कैसे, कभी जाके देखूं खुदा खो से अपनी, कभी जाके देखूं खुदा खो से अपनी, मैं मुद्दत से इस आस पर जी
The production of the entertainment environment is the production of the protection of the entertainment, the protection from the internal, the protection of the internal, the fluctuations from the fluctuations from the outside fluctuation of the external environment is the step internal functions in the narrow range with the various controls systems compared to the wider and compared to the wider the function of the homeostasis is the function of the protection of the internal, the protection of the internal body of the arms of the protection of the internal environment from the harms of the fluctuations of the environment. Fluctuation of the harms of the fluctuation means an external properties Thomas the homeostasis indicates the internal fluctuation in a narrow range of the various control systems compared to the wider external fluctuation. The production of the production of the internal environment, the protections of the internal environment from the harms of the protections of the protection of internal environment from the harm of fluctuations in external environment the harm in the external environment the homeostasis gives internal function in a narrow range keeps internal function in a narrow range with the various control systems compared to the wider the homeostasis keeps the internal fluctuation and narrow range with various control systems compared to the wider fluctuations. The homeostasis keeps the homeostasis keeps the internal fluctuation and narrow range with the various control systems compared to the wider external fluctuations. Advertising comes to the wider external fluctuations. The message keeps the internal fluctuation in a narrow range. The message keeps the internal fluctuations in a narrow range. The homeostasis keeps the internal function in a narrow range. The homeostasis keeps the internal functions fluctuation in a narrow range with various control systems compared to the wider external fluctuation. The homeostasis keeps the homeostasis keeps the internal fluctuation within a narrow range. The narrow range within the control system with various control system compared to the wider external fluctuation. The homeostasis keeps the internal fluctuation with a narrow range with the various control systems. Compared to the external environment, compared to the wider external environment, compared to the wider external environment, compared to the wider external environment. Most surgical components and dental components will be affected by the fluctuation in the external environment and the scientific environment. The wider range of Moses the mechanism of the regulation generally between the Moses surgical components of the internal movement that may be affected by the fluctuation in external of water organism is also the mechanism of the of an organism adapted to prevent harmful nitrogen is usually depends upon availability to water. And the mechanism of the regulations, the mechanism of the regulations, the mechanism of the regulation, the mechanism of the regulations of the mechanism of the regulation is generally between the organism and its environment of the facility and the changes of the loss of the water is also regulation. The most susceptible components of the internal environment that may be affected by the fluctuations in the external environment, the water solutes and the temperature. Most susceptible components of the most susceptible components most susceptible components of the environment, 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 and the most susceptible is completely lost and disturbed. And everything पेस्ट करने पे वो क्या आगे ऐसे आगे देखा नहीं साइड से करने पे